Crypto taxes. Just saying those words can make anyone's head spin. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify it all? Welcome to CoinTracking's full service, where we handle your crypto taxes and you get peace of mind. Imagine all those hours spent combining through transactions gone. Imagine knowing that tax experts have you got covered from start to finish. That's what CoinTracking Full-Service offers. Real tax specialists who do the hard work for you so you don't have to do it. This service has saved our clients over $10 million in unjustified taxes and serves over 3,000 clients across 30+ countries. That's not just tax help, that's next level support. So how does it work? It's easy. First, you will set up a free 15-minute consultation call. During that call, we will get you a sense of your needs and help you find the right plan. Next, just hand over your data, and from there, you'll be free to sit back and let your team do the rest. And it's not just about accuracy, it's about assurance. Our clients love how effortless it is, and we're proud to have such a high satisfaction rates. Because let's face it, crypto taxes shouldn't come with extra headaches. So if you're ready to make crypto taxes stress-free, let us help. With customized plans for every level, CoinTracking's full service is your go-to solution. Click below to start with a free consultation, and let's make tax season a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the meeting.